Hello, welcome to my channel. I remember novels of acquisition your whole in time. Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to create the amazing design that we have on the screen using our Pixellab. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'll be using my PC to carry out this design, but I can assure you that you can also carry out the same design using your smartphone if you can simply follow all the steps that I'll be teaching out in this tutorial. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's quickly get to work. Okay, before we go, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do smash the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification icon so as for you to be able to be the first person to receive notification when I post new videos anytime soon. Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly get to work and then get something done. Okay, so now the very first thing we need to do is to, once you open your Pixellab, you have this kind of interface. First, let's delete this. You delete the text. Okay, you delete it. Okay, then we change the background. We change the background to black. So you click on color, then let's see. Okay, we have black here. Good. All right, then you click on the mark icon. Okay, then the next thing we need to do is to bring in our tests. Okay, so let me quickly go and copy the text I want to use for this tutorial. I have it typed somewhere here. Okay, so let me copy this first. All right, now head back to our Pixellab and then click on plus text. Okay, so then you double tap it to edit it. Okay, you delete this, then you paste it. Okay, so let me delete this night, I don't need it yet. All right, then click OK. Change the font. We go to the text icon, which is this A. Okay, we come to font. All right, then let me go to my font. So this is the font we want to be using in this tutorial. We're using Karaoke. Okay, so then this is the font I want to use. Let's edit it to make it capital letter or true. Okay, good. Then click OK. All right, and next thing I want to do is to come to texture. Okay, then click on this image icon. Okay, then the source for the image that you want to use. Okay, so I'll be using this. All right, then click on this. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is then increase this scale. Okay, leave it like this. Then you can enable the ratio. Okay, then you click on mark icon. Okay, good. All right, so now the next thing I want to do is to duplicate this. So how do I go about that? You click edit. Okay, then you click on this. All right, then make sure that it is positioned at the center. Okay, then you copy it. Okay, then the same thing, you need to do the same thing to it. You also make sure that it is positioned at the center. Good. The next thing we need to do is to click on this texture again. Okay, then you delete this. All right, consider your text has come back to white. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to click on color. Okay, then I'll be using this color. Okay, so let's see the color code. The color code is A67000. Okay, so for you to apply the same color, all you just have to do is to just click on this plus icon. Okay, then you click on this pencil icon and then you impute the color code here. Okay, then you click OK. Automatically the color code will apply on your design. Okay, then you click OK. Good. Now the next thing I want to do is click on this mic icon. Then we come to opacity. Okay, then we reduce the opacity. Let's make it 15. Good. Then mark it. Alright. We're moving. So you can see. Now next thing we need to do now is to merge it. Okay, so just click on this, then you click on this. Alright. Then you check mark the two, then you click on merge. Alright, see? Good. Then you click OK. Good. Now let's take this up. Let's make sure it's positioned at the center. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is to duplicate this. To duplicate it. Okay. I'll bring it down a bit. Let's also make sure that it is also positioned at the center. Okay. Good. Alright. Now the next thing we need to do is to bring in the night tests. Okay. Let's copy this night. Copy it. Okay, now we click on plus, then test. Alright, then we'll paste the night. Good. Then we'll change the case to type to case. Okay, let's edit it. The first letter should come up with capital letter. Okay, then you click on OK. Alright, now the next thing we need to do is to change the font. Font, you're going to use Midnight Drive, then you click OK. Alright, now let's increase this. So always make sure you put a space at the back of your text, in your text, so that for it not to cut at the edges. Okay, next thing we need to do now is to make sure let's make sure that it's positioned at the center. Okay, then we copy it. I do the same thing for this. Good. Now next thing to do is to apply color. Okay, come to color. Alright, then let's change this to red. Let's just use red. Okay, then click OK. Then the next thing you need to do is to apply stroke. Okay, click on stroke. Then you enable this. Alright, so let's increase the stroke width. It's not too much. Let's leave it on 15. Okay, then click on OK. Now, okay, let's change the color of the stroke back to red. So change the stroke color to red. Brilliant. Then click OK. Now the next thing we need to do is to OK, click on the plus and then click on shape. So let's draw this. Make this color red. Let's give this to color red. Okay, then click OK. So we use it to position it into the side of the text. Okay, then you click on this, then you click on this, merge this. Okay, and merge. Alright, now next thing you need to do is click on this place and then you apply texture. Okay, still using this gold foil again. Alright, then click on OK. Alright, then let's increase the scale. Let's increase the scale. So blur enable the maintain ratio. Okay, then click on OK. Brilliant. And next thing to do is to give it shadow. So you enable the shadow. Okay. So the blur radius, let's put the blur radius at 12. Let's take this back. Okay, and click OK. Alright, now the next thing is let's bring this up. Brilliant. Okay, so you need to position this very well inside it. Good. Alright, you are making a huge progress. Let's bring this down. Then we lock this. Okay, and this we duplicate this. Okay, and make sure you maintain the same ratio. Okay, so you click on the texture to delete this. Alright, then we'll come to color. We enable this and then we apply this color again. Let's check. Yes, that's the same color. Okay, then click OK. And then we go to opacity. And we use it. Let's go to 30%. Good. Then click OK. Now let's bring this up. So you can see now then these two, we match these two together. Okay, match these two together. Edge, then you bring this up. So let's match these two, the light two together with it. So match all of this together. Okay. Good. Then we position it somewhere like this. Let's use our grid. Check out. It's alright. So now let's bring in our image. So bring up this mic. Let's put the mic somewhere here first. Let's go and lock it. Okay. Now let's bring something else. Okay. Let's bring this brush. Click on OK. Right. Now let's lock all of these out. The ones that will come from. lock all this, okay, so that it won't keep on moving up and down. Alright, now let's click on texture, then click on this, then you select this, then click on the mark icon, okay, then you increase the scale, okay, then you enable this. We need to enable it, we'll enable it like that. Alright, then you click OK. Click on the pencil icon, make sure that it is well positioned at the center, okay, then we duplicate this, let's duplicate it, then make sure that this also is positioned at the center. Brilliant. Okay, then you come to texture and remove good foil, okay, then click OK. Alright, then now you click on color, let's enable color, and then you change it back to this color that we are using, okay, then click let's check it is the same color, yes, same color, okay, then click on OK. I will come back to opacity. Now let's enable this, then reduce this, let's make it 15. Okay, now let's merge it together. Click on merge to merge these two together. Brilliant. Alright, then we come to color filter, then we increase the saturation. Let's make it just 10 exactly, okay? Then we'll take this up, then we'll rotate it. Okay, I think we need to apply saturation to all these two, so we'll come back to that. Brilliant. So now let's need to duplicate it. Alright, then we come to 3D rotate, then make sure it is on the Y axis on it. Brilliant. Okay. Now let's go and lock it right there. This we unlock this two. Okay, so let's give this saturation. Click on color filter, saturation, make it 10. Good. We'll do the same thing to this too. Saturation, we'll make it 10. Good. Okay. This, log this together. Okay. Let's increase the saturation of these two too. Color filter. Increase the saturation to 10. Alright, then click on OK. Brilliant. Let's lock them. Okay, then we'll lock the microphone. So this now, increase it. Make sure it's up, bring it up. Okay, let's rotate it a bit. Okay, let's bring this back a bit or reduce it. So let's lock this. Then we'll reduce this. Now this, we still need to reduce this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Alright. And next thing I want to do now is let me duplicate this. Okay, duplicate it. Okay. Then we'll come to color filter. Take away the saturation. Okay. Then click on OK. Right. Then this will rotate it. We'll take it up. So brilliant. Alright. Good. Now let's log them. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is let's bring in this. Okay. Then click on the plus icon. Then click on tests. Alright, I click OK. Then this, we change the font. Let's use Karaoke. Okay, then click OK. And this reduce it. Let's make sure it is positioned at the center. Good. Alright. Now next thing to do is to bring in the date and time. So every Friday, let's copy every Friday. Okay. Click on the plus icon, then test. Then you edit it. Paste every Friday. So this, let's break this down. Start this. Okay. Alright. And this, still change it to, let's change the font to Alano. Okay. And the line spacing is 2 patch. Okay, so let's reduce it. Good. Alright. Then let's make sure it is centralized. Click on a line. Then you use center. Brilliant. We'll position it somewhere here. Okay. Let's lock this. Let's lock this. Okay. Now let's duplicate this. Put this here. Then we'll just please and change this to 8 p.m. rather. Good. Alright, click OK. Okay. Now this, we need to increase the size. We need to increase this. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, click on plus, then shape. Alright, I think I love this. Let's use this. So use this. Okay. Let's change our text to color black. Right. Then we'll push this down. Okay. So we'll take this up. Alright, so now let's duplicate this. So we'll merge these two together. Let's first merge these two together. Merge. Okay, and this change to 8 p.m. to take this down. Okay, then the 8 p.m. we change the color to black. Alright, then we'll take this up. So let's reduce the beats. Good. Now let's merge that one together. So merge it. Alright, so let's position it there. I think it's okay. Yes. Brilliant. It's too big. Let's reduce this a bit. Good. Now let's copy that text. Copy the venue. Let's paste it. Alright, so change this to capital letter 2. Alright, then we'll change the font to Galano. Okay, so let's reduce the bits. Let's make sure it's at the center. Good. And let's bring in the other text. Okay, so these two, let's reduce it very well. Okay, it's okay like this. Okay, we'll change the font to Galano. Brilliant. So then let's make sure, let's reduce the bits. Alright, make sure that if first letter is capital letter. right. Let's make sure it's well positioned at the center. Good. Alright, we are making progress. Now the next thing I want to do is to bring in the other first. We're almost done. Let's bring in this. We are almost done. Okay. So change the font to Galano. All right. Then come to align. Alright, so as to change the alignment to center. Okay. Now let's make sure it is well positioned. Reduce the bits. Let me sure it is well positioned. Good. Let's bring this down a bit. Let's match these two together. Alright. Bring this down. Okay, bring this down. Bring this down. So all of this, let's ungroup them and make sure we bring them down a bit. Okay, let's make them 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's merge. So I want to increase it. Increase the size. So let me make sure it is well positioned at the center. So let's lock it. We'll lock. I'll bring this here. And this should come from right there. This should come down a bit. Alright, then this mic should go up. Good. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to Let's copy it. Now, the next thing I want us to do is to open Pixellab in our phone, okay? Then click on this plus icon. Then select this our mic, this mic. Then you come to click on effects. Then you click on blur. Okay. Now click to edit it. Okay. Then you increase the blur to, I think 19 is okay. Then you click OK. Then click on this download icon. Okay, now let's go back to our Pixellab. Alright, then you click on the plus icon, click on from gallery, then choose picture that will flow from Pixellab. Okay, then click OK. Now, this we rotate it. Right, so you click on 3D rotate. Okay. Take this way, okay. Make sure the wire to 90 180. Right. Then this we increase. And then we rotate. Right. Take it like this. Now let's use the opacity. Okay, the logo of that effect shadow. Okay, you click OK. Right, we are almost done. Now the next thing we need to do is to click on the plus icon again from gallery. Want to import the background. Okay, click on this. Okay, and make sure on this and ratio 1. Click OK. Right, then drag this on our workspace. Brilliant. Then come to opacity and reduce it. Brilliant. Okay, good. Now, so we take it down. So click on the layer I button, then drag this down a bit. Let's drag it down. Drag it down. Just need to bring it down. Let's give it somewhere here. Alright, brilliant, so that it will not affect our text. Hope you get that. Okay, I think we are done already. Okay, so you can see how beautiful the design is. I'm sure you can make this to your phone and replicate this into your phone. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to save. Let's save it. Save that project. Okay, I'll use it. Okay. Alright, then we click OK. And next thing you need to do is to click on export. Okay, you save it again, then you save it as image. Okay, alright, then click on save to gallery. Now we've successfully exported our design. So when you check your gallery, you're going to see your design in your gallery. Okay, so please, if you love this video, I would so much recommend that you give it a thumbs up. Okay, and you make sure that you smash the subscribe button. Okay, and then you click on the notification icon so as for you to be the very first person to receive notification of our new videos. Okay, so we've come to the end of this tutorial, so I'll see you in the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.